Welcome to another Weiss-Johnson.com product video. Today we are showing off a premium hot water tank from A.O. Smith. This is the model GPVL 40 ProLine XE Power Vent Gas Water Heater. This gas water heater has a 40-gallon capacity with a 40,000 BTU gas burner. It's also Energy Star certified, providing for maximum efficiency, and will save you an estimated $243 a year on energy costs. It also comes with a 6-year limited warranty from the manufacturer and meets Low Nox Emission requirements. This water heater is perfect for a smaller home with up to 4 people. It provides a continuous flow of hot water for up to 18 minutes and can fill a standard bathtub within 7 minutes. This water heater is also packed with technology, the same technology that is used in the A.O. Smith's industry-leading commercial product line. And with A.O. Smith, you know you're getting a unit built with quality you can trust. Each product is crafted with commercial-grade components for both increased durability and reliability. Interested in this hot water tank? Weiss-Johnson works hand-in-hand with Enercare to provide the best leasing opportunities for those looking to lease their next major home comfort purchase. Leasing offers low monthly pricing that is affordable for everyone. Visit Weiss-Johnson.com today for more details. With Enercare, a standard lease has no upfront costs and 0 costs for parts and labor. There is no cost for equipment replacement, and it provides peace of mind that your home will have a reliable hot water system for years to come. Give us a call today and we can be installing your new hot water tank within the next 24 hours. Thank you for watching our latest product video. Be sure to visit us at Weiss-Johnson.com to discover the great work our large family of companies has been doing since 1977.
Weiss-Johnson, Weiss-Johnson, whoa. We're proud to be local and family owned, striving to bring you a comfortable home. Weiss-Johnson, Weiss-Johnson, whoa.